Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that simply says thanks. All that really does help out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is by SwitchBot, and it is a smart door lock that is incredibly easy to install. So first off, this is the box that it's going to come in. It's going to come with all the parts and pieces that you need. Now, why I love this particular lock is you don't have to change out your hardware. It will work with your existing setup. At least it does work with almost all hardware options out there, which is absolutely great. So no fiddling around with changing locks and trying to figure out if it's going to work. As you can see, it's installed here right next to me. One of the big reasons I personally liked this device is we have a 3-point door. So a lot of those smart locks on the market just wouldn't work with that setup because it is a very custom, unique thumb turn handle, and this got it all nice and covered. So when you open up the box, of course, it's going to give you different thumb turn options. So you're just going to basically put it over your kind of lock to see which one is the best fit for you. As far as the mounting bracket, it can mount multiple different ways. I have the extender on here, so that way it can basically has room to stick. You can install it with either the screws or the double-sided sticky tape. So once again, gives you lots of custom options as far as being able to install it, and also making sure it works perfectly for your system. Now, also another great feature, as you can see on the front, it has a nice thumb turn here, so you can just manually lock it. It's not like you have to worry about going to an app or anything like that. You can easily just turn the thumbnail and make sure it's locked or unlocked, just like you would a normal lock setup. Now, as far as the outside, you can obviously utilize your phone if you want to unlock the handle set, or you can even get their keypad and utilize their keypad. There is a ton of different ways to unlock this door, but another nice thing, let's say there's a power outage, well, it's all run on batteries, so you are good to go there. But if you have somebody coming over and they want to just utilize a key, you can also just use your key into the standard lock and unlock it that way also. So fully covered. If you do want to utilize the app via over the Wi-Fi, or if you want to go ahead and get the keypad, you can do that, but it does also need to utilize the hub if you want to get notifications sent to your phone. So that is another great feature of this smart lock, is as you have people coming and going, it will notify you that if you wish to have that as an option. You can also go in there and unlock. So if you have maybe the kids are coming home from school and the door is locked, you can easily go into the phone and unlock it, which is great. You can also go in there and set up an auto lock option. So when the door detects the door is closed, which is a little magnet sensor next to it, it will automatically lock behind you, so that way your door is never left unlocked. So lots of great features to explore. But one of the big things, like I said, that I absolutely love about this thing is it works for almost any door type. Almost any type of lock out there in the market. You don't have to change out any of your existing hardware. It just works with what's existing there, and it's super easy to install. So another thing I also wanted to point out, in the top here, there is a battery compartment, and that battery is going to last a long time. It's going to last up to 6 months, and that's with an average of about 10 uses a day. So it's a long lasting. It's another thing, you don't have to worry about constantly changing out the batteries, which obviously could get very annoying. But if the battery does die on you, remember, you always have that ability to unlock it with a standard key, which is a great important feature, because obviously with the digital lock, you don't want it dying and then being locked out of your house. But overall, it's a very great lock. Totally recommend checking it out. If you are looking for a smart lock solution for your home, I give this one a thumbs up. If there is anything else that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.